formal discussion of our leadership of INPT at our office. So as expected, we have received a negative letter from the Chief Secretary's office. Our General Secretary had applied for granting us permission on 25th of July at Noi Auditorium of ADC headquarters, Kumlung. They have regretted our application, so we understood it, because they never feel and they never want INPT will come forward and we can have our freedom in our democratic land. Whereas we found these BJP, IPFT are in different way, they are confronting each other, but they are organizing their organization. So today we have decided that, okay, once the government, the administration have denied our permission, we have decided to organize in almost all the district of the Tripura, holding 20 people, 15 people, 25 people, something like that, in almost all the district of our state. Because we cannot put our organization in them. We want to activate our organization also. Therefore, we have chalked up a meeting in different places. And today, we have discussed very seriously also about a statement of Reboti, Mr. Reboti, Tripura, Honorable MP of BJP. So, on his statement, the statement came in the daily newspaper, and we have seen it. Now, our question is very simple: whether the statement is official BJP statement or his individual statement. If he say it is my personal statement and observation, but he belongs to BJP and he is not a very ordinary man, he holds the responsibility of the parliament. So can I accept that it is just a statement which has no responsibility? Or if the BJP says it is official statement, it means at the same time NLFT has linked with IPFT, and IPFT is aligned with the BJP. So it is very simple. So our question is whether press also will approach to them and insist them for their clarification on this issue, because unless they speak the truth to the state, people will feel, yeah, NLFT had linked with IPFT, it is understandable. Not that I say it is understandable, but people will take it like that. And whether, if they say, we say that BJP is linked, BJP is aligned with the IPFT, then this NLFT, IPFT and BJP, they have got linked each other. So our question is very clear today, that it has to be very clearly explained why it should not be clarified before the people of the state. And one more, General Secretary had said about one of our active workers who is selling some medicine.
Novin Tripura.
Novin Tripura. He had been just pulled from his pharmacy, alleging that he has got linked with the underground. But he is very innocent, because every shop, they used to put their name, plate of their shops and their contact number also. Accordingly, he had put his contact number also. Somebody might have taken the numbers and given to somebody, and they said, we belong to NLFT, we belong to IPFT or some other party. It doesn't mean that they have vindicated the issue. What is the proof that he has got linked? They could not take even the communication of their telephonic also. There is no proof, no evidence.